Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to calculate calcium carbonate equivalent. First, understand that CCE quantifies a material's ability to neutralize soil acidity relative to pure calcium carbonate. This measurement is vital for farmers and agronomists to determine the correct amount of liming material needed. We'll break down the process into clear, manageable steps, ensuring you can confidently apply this calculation in your own work. Let's get started with the foundational concepts. The first step in calculating calcium carbonate equivalent involves identifying two key factors for your specific liming material. You need to know its purity percentage and its inherent neutralizing value. For instance, pure calcium carbonate is the benchmark, possessing a CCE of 100%. Other materials will have different values based on their chemical composition and effectiveness in neutralizing acidity. This information is usually available from the supplier or through laboratory analysis. Now, let's apply the formula to calculate the calcium carbonate equivalent. You will multiply the purity percentage of your liming material by its specific neutralizing value. Once you have this product, divide it by 100. This gives you the CCE as a decimal. To express it as a percentage, simply multiply that decimal by 100. For example, a material with 90% purity and a neutralizing value of 95% would yield an 85.5% CCE. Understanding the calcium carbonate equivalent allows for precise application in the field. A higher CCE means your material is more potent, so you'll need less of it to achieve the same desired soil pH adjustment. This efficiency saves both time and resources, making your agricultural practices more sustainable and cost-effective. Always consult soil test results to determine the exact amount of CCE needed for optimal crop growth. Also, for those looking to improve their financial understanding, check the description for a link to a great book and other deals that can truly change how you think about money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.